Okay, it's been a while since I've been here, but I've got an update on our coastal chic house design, the renovation that we've been doing. It's not done, but it's getting there. So we don't have all the decor done. We have some things that need to be fixed and replaced. There's our puppy dog. That's Bo. He's like, Mom, I want to go for a walk. So what we did in this room is we made this accent wall the TV wall. And we used from Floor & Decor, it's a tile, big tiles that kind of look like wood to kind of just add some warmth to the room. And I got this discount piece down here, this armoire. I bought it, it didn't have legs and it didn't have hardware. We've since bought legs and hardware, but I think it was originally like $500 for $250, and I got it for $200, and then there was a little scratch on the back, so I got it for $175. And it's really cute because it could be used in a foyer, it could be used in a TV room. It's already got the area for holes and plugs in it, so I was pretty excited to find this piece here. I think it's perfect. It could be used in different places. As you know, I think the furniture, the couch we got from Rooms to Go, and then some of these other pieces we just found online. But the piece de resistance, besides the door, which is amazing but still needs to get fixed, is the kitchen, which I am so excited about. So what we did was white cabinets with gold hardware. I've never done the gold before. The backsplash is a sea salt green subway tile. We painted the doors this agreeable gray. So this is our pantry. It's not big, but it's everything that we need for 2 people. We got the right-on refrigerator, which is a Samsung, what's the name of it? Samsung Bespoke, I believe. So we can write on and wipe off here. Got a little coffee station. We went with the larger hardware for the bigger cabinets and smaller hardware for the shorter cabinets. I still don't have a cooktop. It's an induction that's coming because we weren't home, or it wasn't here when the installer came, and we weren't home. He was unable to put it in, but he'll do that soon. Got a really pretty hood range. Lots of room. The island itself seats 8 people. We have 7 chairs out right now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We created a 4-seater at this end, so if there's ever an opportunity to play games or cards or just want to socialize rather than all sitting in a row, we felt like that was a nice thing to add. The bar itself is 11 feet long. And then we reduced the size of this window so that we could add this buffet station in it. You can see that the trim kit is still missing for outside the microwave. That'll be filled in. There's a little piece of trim that goes above the oven up here, which needs to go in. There's trim at the top of the cupboards, but it stopped. We need to get the trim fixed, or finished rather. And we ended up getting this kitchen at 1/3 of the price than what Lowe's quoted us. We got this one from Floor & Decor. They had a really nice online specialist. Her name was Diane, that helped design the kitchen with us. We kind of gave her the layout and the dimensions. And then the cabinets are built and shipped directly to you. And we just went with standard products because this is not an expensive house, and we did not want to spend a ton of money on cabinets, hardware, everything. I will tell you that the Lowe's quote for this exact kitchen came in at $27,000, and with Floor & Decor it came in at $9,000. So a huge savings. We were really excited about that. Then we had to pay for our appliances, our hardware, our plumbing, our fixtures, our lights, our hood, those kinds of things. But still, we really shopped well for everything and made sure that we were getting some really good pricing. The door itself is Pella. It is a hurricane-proof door. The window is also Pella. It's hurricane-proof. We did have an issue though with this door, and the door is that they shipped the 3rd panel from a different stock, and it does not fit and it does not work. So Pella has to come out and repair it and fix it and reinstall it. And we're just waiting for someone to come and book that appointment with us to finish it. But anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on the kitchen. I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's beautiful. The space in here just feels so much more roomy. It's so much lighter. The furniture fits the space better than when we bought the house. And it just feels like us. So it's coming together.